Well, pain is one of the most misunderstood concepts in the medicine. Pain is not a disease. It's actually is an indicator that there is problem somewhere else. Exactly as if there is a fire alarm that goes on in your building, it does not mean that there is something wrong with the fire alarm. There is actually a fire and that should be attended. So instead of attending to the fire and trying to douse that fire, if you switch off the alarm, that will cause more damage to your building. Similarly, if you have a pain in any part of your body, and instead of attending to the cause of that pain, you switch off that pain using a medicine, then you may cause more damage to your body.